Hi! In front of me is VIVO V29 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location of this device. Firstly, open Devices settings and scroll down to access Location section. Then click on this switcher at the top to turn it off and select Close in No Location Access pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, location of my Vivo is off. But you can always switch it on by clicking on the same shortcut again. You can also go into Tab menu, look for Location tile, and when you find it, click on it to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!